Introduction. Background music. Welcome to our YouTube video on the top selling gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular online marketplace where freelancers can offer their services and earn money. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. In this video, we'll explore some of the most profitable gig ideas on Fiverr to inspire you and help you kickstart your freelancing journey. Before we dive into the gig ideas, it's important to note that success on Fiverr depends on various factors, including market demand, competition, and your skills. So, make sure to choose a gig that aligns with your expertise and passion. Gig Idea 1. Logo Design. Logo design is a high-demand service on Fiverr. Many businesses and individuals are looking for professional and unique logos to represent their brand. If you have graphic design skills and a creative eye, offering logo design services can be a lucrative gig. Gig Idea 2. Social Media Management. Social media management is in high demand as businesses strive to establish and maintain a strong online presence. If you're knowledgeable about different social media platforms and have experience in managing social media accounts, offering social media management services can be a great gig idea. Gig Idea 3. Content Writing. Content writing is another popular gig on Fiverr. With the increasing need for high-quality content, many businesses and website owners are outsourcing their writing needs. If you have excellent writing skills and can produce engaging and informative content, consider offering content writing services. Gig Idea 4. Voiceover Services. If you have a clear and pleasant voice, offering voiceover services can be a profitable gig. Many businesses, podcasters, and content creators require professional voiceovers for their videos, podcasts, and commercials. Make sure to showcase your vocal range and versatility in your gig. Gig Idea 5. Video Editing. Video editing is a valuable skill in today's digital world. Many individuals and businesses need professional video editing services to create polished and engaging content. If you have experience in video editing software and can produce high-quality videos, offering video editing services can be a lucrative gig. Gig Idea 6. Web Development. Web development is a sought-after skill in the online marketplace. With businesses and individuals needing websites for their online presence, offering web development services can be highly profitable. Showcase your expertise in coding, website design, and responsive layouts to attract clients. Gig Idea 7. SEO Services. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for businesses looking to improve their online visibility. If you have knowledge and experience in SEO techniques, offering SEO services can be a lucrative gig. Help clients optimize their websites, improve their search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic. Gig Idea 8. Virtual Assistant Services. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals need assistance with various tasks. Offering virtual assistant services can be a great gig idea if you're organized, reliable, and proficient in administrative tasks. Offer services like email management, scheduling, research, and data entry to attract clients. Gig Idea 9. Translation Services. If you're bilingual or multilingual, offering translation services can be a profitable gig. Many businesses and individuals require accurate and professional translation services for their documents, websites, and content. Highlight your language skills and expertise in your gig description. Gig Idea 10. Social Media Advertising. Social media advertising is a powerful marketing tool for businesses. If you have experience in creating and managing social media ad campaigns, offering social media advertising services can be a lucrative gig. Help businesses reach their target audience and maximize their ad campaigns' effectiveness. These are just a few examples of the top-selling gigs on Fiverr. Remember to research the market demand, stay updated with industry trends, and continuously improve your skills to stay competitive. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.